friends, hope all of you are doing great and keeping yourself safe. Today I will do the review on Himalaya Gentle Baby Wash. In fact, if you see my previous videos, you will realize that I've already done Himalaya Gentle Baby Washes, as in Himalaya liquid soaps. But I've realized that Himalaya has few different baby soaps or few different liquid baby soaps which have different ingredients in them. That's the only difference. So ideally there are few ingredients which you ideally use those liquid soaps in the winter months. Then there are few ingredients which you use them in the summer months. This gentle soap, it can be used either in the winters or in the summer. It can be used anytime. So as usual, as all the other Himalaya liquid soaps are, this is no tears. So ideally your baby, even if it gets into the eye, it will not irritate your baby's eyes. But I just try and avoid using it around the eyes. But if at all it gets into the eyes, it's no tear, so it will not irritate the baby. And it's free from paraben, SLES and synthetic colors. Now SLES and SLS it does not have much lather, so that ingredient, it causes lather in a liquid soap. So it does not have much lather. It has a little bit of lather but not much. And of course it is gentle, safe, and it's clinically researched. Now even though it's clinically researched and dermatologically tested, sometimes baby may get an irritation. Not most babies, a few babies. So if for some reason a baby is irritated or your baby does not like it, please stop using it and do contact a doctor if and when required. Now I would just like to inform you that 3 ingredients in this, major ingredients, are chickpea, fenugreek and green gram. Now chickpea, it helps in cleansing the baby. It helps in keeping the baby's skin clean. And green gram and fenugreek, they moisturize the baby's skin. If you realize that baby's skin is much thinner than an adult skin, that is why they require very mild soap compared to an adult. So this is a perfect soap for your baby. My daughter, she loves it. In fact, she likes soaps which have a lot of lather. But this gentle, I think it's the fragrance. It's very mild. It's not a very strong fragrance, and she really likes this. And I personally, this is a very nice soap because I bought a big bottle because I can use it in the 12 months, not just only in the summers or not in the winters. And I'm very happy with this buy. This is a 400 ml bottle, and the price, if you see, it's around 245 rupees. But you buy it on Amazon, you will definitely get it for much lesser. I got it for around 180 rupees, and or any other online website, because you see the offers, and if you buy it, you definitely will get it cheaper. Now I would also just like to focus on the ingredients, as I do with all the products. If anyone is interested, do have a look at it and then buy it, because nowadays I know a lot of mothers and fathers are very conscious about the ingredients. That is the reason I focus on it every time. Okay, and if anyone is interested in the manufacturing details and other stuff like that, it has a website on it, himalayawellness.com. It has the email also, care@himalayawellness.com. Okay, so I've spoken enough about the liquid soap. Excellent liquid soap. I love it. My daughter loves it, and I think I will stick to this for a while now. And regarding the bottle, this 400 ml, I went ahead and bought the 400 ml bottle because it came out economical for me. And this is a pump style bottle. Now while ordering it online, the first time I got it, I got a leaked one. So sometimes it can leak if it's coming online, and just be careful of this. This is not a travel friendly bottle. If you're at home, now since we all are at home most of the times, or I think 99.9% of the times, that is the reason I bought this, and I'm going to use it for I think a few months now. And otherwise the bottle is the normal green and white, excellent bottle. It's very sturdy but not travel friendly. So I hope you've liked this review of Himalaya Gentle Baby Wash. Do press the like button if you've liked it. Do subscribe to my channel if you haven't as yet to get many more reviews of baby products. And I'm going to start adding a few more products which maybe adults and babies can use, because I just want to widen the range of the products. And thank you for watching my channel. Have a wonderful day and be safe. Bye bye.